Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your launch screen on CoinMarketCap account. So first we're going to open the CoinMarketCap app. Then next you're going to click on the profile settings on the top right corner. Then once you're here, you're going to click on settings. Then you're going to click on launch screen, which is primarily at the top. So there are many options to put on your launch screen. As you can see, there are 5 options. You guys could choose from the top 5. Then when you guys open the app, it's going to show you the one you want. So I changed it to alpha. So now when I open the app, it's going to be on alpha. So you guys can change it back again as well. You guys can make it on CMC AI or your portfolio as well as your community. So it's what it shows when you open the app. So it's an easy tutorial. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.